YouTube. This is Lachlan T 1984 from Melbourne, Australia. And I have discovered something rather interesting. This is my Panasonic cordless phone that I've had since 2004. And here, of course, is my Worlds of Wonder Teddy Ruxpin. Now, those of you who have been into electronics for a long time and who listen to a lot of radio will know that oftentimes electronic devices can cause interference to a radio, and they can even cause interference to devices like cassette players. I've discovered this cordless phone interferes with Teddy Ruxpin. The radio frequencies generated by the cordless phone cause Teddy Ruxpin to animate a bit erratically, and they also cause a lot of noise through the speaker. You hear an interesting humming noise generated by the electronics in the cordless phone. But it also causes the eyes and mouth to move erratically. But also listen to what else it does. Have a listen to what it's doing now.
Let's go to far-off places and search for treasures blind. Come dream with me tonight.
Now listen to what happens when I unplug the AC adapter for the cordless phone.
Let's build a giant airship and sail into the skies. Let's watch the ground so far below. Let's watch the birds as they fly by. The butterfly
I'm going to plug the cordless phone back in.
will lead us on our way. Exploding dandelions will brighten summer's day. And if our dream's a good one, and if our dream is
Unplug the AC adapter.
then imagination can be real if we will dream tonight. Come dream
Plug it back in.
tonight. Let's go to far-off places and search for treasures bright. Come dream with me tonight.
Now unplug the AC adapter again.
Let's meet a lovely princess and stand before a king. Let's dream a great adventure and let us live that magic dream. The orange leaves of autumn will crackle in the air.
Now plug it back in.
In winter, tiny snowflakes will sparkle everywhere. And if our dreams are good ones, and if we see
So, the interference from the cordless phone is causing the motors to fluctuate to the point where it's interfering with the playback speed of a tape. It's causing the tape's playback speed to fluctuate quite seriously. That is really interesting, and I'm a bit worried now because I'm just worried that that might cause problems with the Teddy Ruxpin in the future. I'm just wondering if that might potentially cause problems with the electronics in Teddy Ruxpin. That's really bizarre. That it causes the tape speed to fluctuate quite seriously like that. If I...
then the wondrous dream we dream tonight.
Yeah, see, it's still doing it.
Day just might come true. We've been tucked in together, the sheets are nice and clean. So close your eyes, just close your eyes and you can stop.
And that does not sound good. I don't like it when it does that. So, that's a rather interesting thing I've discovered. Interestingly enough, the cordless phone does not interfere with my Backpack Toys Teddy Ruxpin, because I used to use that a lot, and it never had an issue with interference from the cordless phone, nor does the cordless phone seem to interfere with TJ Berrytails. But it does interfere with this Teddy Ruxpin to the point where it causes it to do some rather odd things. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Rather bizarre. Really, rather bizarre. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.